Okay, we've got our task in. Next is to work on the duration because, hey, not every task is going to be done in one day. In fact, as you recall in an earlier training video, when I entered in my task, for every new task that I entered, I set the task mode to have it automatically schedule the duration and the start date. So that's why you got the question mark, because it wants me to clarify, do I really want it to be one day? If so, then go ahead and just select it, type in 1, hit enter, there's 1 day. You can also type in 1D, it's also for 1 day, or if you want it in hours, you can type in 2H for hours, hit enter, and there's 2 hours, okay? You can see over here in the Gantt chart, it's really tiny now because that's only 1/4 of the day. So there's hours, there's days, you can do weeks, 2WK. Wow, that really pushes it out. And then notice that the project summary task actually gets stretched out to the longest task within the project, okay? So you got weeks, how about months? How about 1MO? We're really far out there, aren't we? And then you can see up in the timeline that it's, well, you can scroll over here to, you can scroll back and forth here within the Gantt chart. Notice that when I scroll up here on the timeline, you got the sliding bar. You can click and drag and move it around as well. It's easier to click and drag and to see it move over here than to come down here and click and drag the scroll bar because it actually jumps, as you just saw, okay? Whoop, jump. So let me come back up here now that you know how to enter in the duration by hours, days, weeks, months. In fact, we could try a year. Let's go ahead and type in 1. And it gives you actually what you can enter in. Type in a duration in the correct format. 4 hours or 4H, 12 days, 12D, or 2ED for elapsed days. We'll talk about that later. Okay. Let me go ahead for the starting of the book, type in 0. Now, why would I type in 0? Let me hit enter. Scroll back down here so we can see it in the Gantt chart. Anytime that you have a task that has 0 in it, and it says 0 months, it could be days, years, it doesn't matter, it's 0. It'll have a black diamond. This is called a milestone. It's a task that acts as a reference point, marking a major event and typically used to mark the beginning and ending of your project. So the beginning is going to start at this milestone here, that black diamond, which you can see is August 31st. So down below, let's go ahead and do 9. You can do D, or you don't even have to type in D. You can just type in a number because by default it's going to automatically go to days. So there's 5 days, 2, enter, 5, enter, 30, enter, 5, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter. And then the closing milestone here, to mark a major event, the ending of my project, I'm going to type in 0. It ends the same day, but I'll show you later on how we can go ahead and fix this. But for right now, I wanted to show you how you can enter in your duration and how you can enter it in and how it looks over here in the Gantt chart, and also introduce you to the milestone here. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.